Hello and welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and today I want to share a simple movement that can strengthen your legs, improve your heart health, sharpen your balance, and even boost your brain, all without leaving your living room. It is called marching, and once you try it, you will wonder why no one told you about it sooner. Many people believe walking is the best exercise as we age, and yes, it is wonderful. But marching works your hips, thighs, and core in a way walking never could. It builds balance, coordination, and focus, while being much gentler on your joints. If walking makes you tired or uneasy, or if your knees ache after a few blocks, this simple movement could become your secret to staying strong and steady. Studies show that seniors who practiced marching in place just 3 times a week improved their leg strength, balance, and stability within 8 weeks. Even NASA uses marching drills to help astronauts rebuild balance and muscle after space missions. It is one of the most efficient, low-impact exercises you can do. Let me share a story. James, a 74-year-old teacher, stopped walking outdoors after a fall on the ice hurt his knee. His strength faded, and even standing up became difficult. A therapist suggested marching at home. At first, he laughed, but after a few weeks of gentle marching, he noticed his balance improving. Within months, he felt strong enough to walk to the park again. Marching gave him back his legs and his confidence. Here is how you can start. Stand behind a sturdy chair or near a wall. Keep your back straight, shoulders back, and gently lift one knee toward your waist, then the other. Move slowly, like a steady rhythm. Start with 30 seconds, rest, and repeat 2 or 3 times. As you get stronger, build up to 5 minutes a day. If standing is difficult, march while seated, lifting your knees alternately and keeping your back tall. Do this regularly, and you will notice stronger legs, better balance, and a new sense of confidence in your steps. Your best years are not behind you. They are right here, one march at a time. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Gentle Health so we can keep moving and growing stronger together.